guys, welcome to our new video. Each cycle of the calendar produces new offerings in the world of mobile audio. More bass, more significant ranges, and improved Bluetooth connectivity come fast and furious into the marketplace, meaning that even the most passionate audiophile has difficulty keeping pace. In this sea of choices, there's a lot of unlistenable squawk boxes that just can't hold a beat, won't operate with individual devices, or just lose vocals into muddy background music. In this video, we're going to show you some of the best Bluetooth speakers that are available on the market. Check out the description below for more information and the prices. Without further delay, let's get started with the video. The Bose SoundTouch 10 wireless music system is a small, Bluetooth-enabled speaker that lets you wirelessly stream a song from your smartphone, tablet, or workstation with just the touch of a switch. It highlights a single transducer that's created to produce sound performance well past its size. Utilizing the free companion SoundTouch app, you can set your SoundTouch system, enable internet radio stations to one of its 6 presets, or even control various SoundTouch systems throughout your house. In extension to wireless and Bluetooth connectivity, this unit highlights a 3.5mm input for connecting wired audio sources such as MP3 players, and the SoundTouch 10 stars 4 LEDs that show connectivity information and comprise an IR remote for system control. In addition to conventional functions, the remote enables you to select from your personalized presets and rate the song you're listening to. Experience your favorite audio cable-free with the DeNAUN HEOOS1 wireless speaker. This small speaker stars 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, Ethernet, USB, and 3.5mm connectivity, allowing you to connect it to a broad variety of audio sources. Its mid-woofer and dome tweeter drivers are mated to a couple of Class D amps, and they take benefits of DSP and custom equalization for smooth tones. This speaker can be voice controlled through your Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or Josh.ai ecosystem. The HEOOS1 is wall mountable, gratitude of its 1/4 inch threaded hole, and counters humidity for use in showers and pool areas. The free HEOOS app allows you to play music from your preferred online streaming service, from the cloud, or directly from your product. 2 HEOOS1 units can be paired for stereo sound. Wirelessly stream music from a broad range of sources with the Yamaha WX03 MusicCast wireless speaker. Provided with a 3.5-inch woofer and a 1.1-inch tweeter, this speaker is created to present compelling full-range sound from its built-in amp. Integrated Bluetooth, AirPlay, and Wi-Fi connectivity allow you to access songs from devices such as tablets, smartphones, and computers. Additionally, this speaker lets you stream music from free and subscription-based services like Rhapsody, Pandora, and Spotify Connect. Utilizing the free MusicCast app, you can conveniently control playback of your Android or iOS smart device. The MusicCast controller app sets control of your wireless speaker in the palm of your hand. Use the MusicCast controller app to operate the speaker and switch settings, select your source, and control music playback. MusicCast enables you to access your digital music library, streaming music services, internet radio, and Bluetooth sources. The Sonos Play1 compact wireless speaker has a light, metallic grille, and it allows you to stream music from a variety of origins. It connects you to your house network through Ethernet or built-in Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can stream the songs off iTunes or another individual music library. You can also stream music from thousands of free internet radio stations or practically any online music service, including Spotify, Pandora, Rhapsody, and so much more. You can also stream music from any other system-connected devices, like your iPhone or your iPad. The Play1 operates on its own as a single speaker, but it also supports left-right stereo division when paired with another Play1 speaker in the same room. If you're more ambitious, you can fill all the room in your home with any mixture of Sonos speakers. And since all Sonos goods support SonosNet wireless mesh technology, they all operate seamlessly with one another. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.